Hello, this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader. Today, I will be reading Yunete, written by Ashtin Darrough, illustrated by Taylor Gallion. Before I begin reading, I would like to give a big thanks to the author for sending me this book to read on my channel. In the description below, I have included links where you may find and purchase this book. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yunete, wake up! It's time for school, Mother yelled up to me. Oh, how I could lie listening to the rain pit-pat on my window all day. It was so hypnotizing, the way it trickled down the glass. But I had to get ready for school. I hurried downstairs to find Mother in her usual place, waiting to send me onto the bus. Every morning, she waited by the front door with my backpack in hand. When I opened the door to leave, I noticed a giant rainbow stretching from one side of the town to the other. Our people believe the rainbow is the most powerful symbol of all, a giant arc filled with all the colors of the world connecting the earth to the stars. It's only able to do its job, however, when all the colors work together. As I was walking out, Mother whispered to me, "Today is your day to make something amazing happen." I wondered every morning, what does she mean? What can I possibly do that's amazing? Upon entering the bus, I saw my friend Lonira. Lonira and I have been friends since we could walk. Everyone always wonders how we're still friends because we are so different. We tell them we just enjoy having fun together and learning from each other. If we were exactly alike, then we would never experience anything new. The whole day it rained and rained. The rainbow that once lit up the sky had vanished behind a blanket of clouds. I sat there hoping that the rain would stop so we could go to the park. The rain stopped right as we were leaving, so we decided to head to the park. Lonira and I walked around, thinking of how we could get everyone to do something together. We all have our own friend groups, so we never play together anymore. As we were walking, we heard someone yelling from the old mud hole. That's where we found Felico, stuck in the mud. He was too far for us to reach him on our own. Maybe if we got everyone to work together, we could free him somehow. We ran, yelling to everyone to come to the mud hole. When they arrived, they couldn't believe their eyes. I had to think quickly. If we all worked together, we could free Felico from the mud. I yelled to everyone to form a chain. We locked arms and started to pull him out of the mud. After a few tugs, Felico was free. We felt great about what we had just accomplished together. Great enough that we decided to spend the next couple of hours playing together as new friends. On the walk back home, the rainbow began to appear again, bigger and brighter than before. I knew then that I had done something amazing today. The end. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe.